Hi, my name is Yukti. I am a fashion design student at TIIFS Vashi, and my experience learning here has been really great. Faculty teachers here really understand you and help you with every concept, and they teach very well. Like they clear doubts like friends and teachers, and they really clear your doubts throughout the concept. The atmosphere, the vibe here is really nice, and no matter how many problems you have outside of the classroom, when you come here, you forget about them and you just learn very passionately about the subject that we are going through, that has been taught throughout the year. Really like the way the teachers teach here. The faculty is really helpful and they just put all their efforts in teaching the students here, and they're really helpful to overcome all the obstacles that you face throughout the year. The complete basic of fashion designing has been taught here, and अलग से रहता है कि लाइक तुमको तैयार होकर आना रहता है, वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है कि तुमको वो एरा के हिसाब से हिस्टोरिकली तैयार होकर आना है, तुमको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि तुम्हारे आउटफिट्स क्या है, एंड दैट इज़ अ रियली नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. फिर उसके हमको मार्केट विजिट भी हुआ था. मार्केट विजिट में भी इट वॉज रियली नाइस. तुमको बाहर लेके जाते हैं मार्केट्स में, एंड यू गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फैब्रिक्स, डिफरेंट ऑर्नामेंट्स जो एम्बेलिशमेंट के तौर पे लगाते हैं आउटफिट्स पे, वो भी सब समझ में आता है, एंड वो टीचर्स सिखाते हैं कि ये कहाँ पे यूज़ हो सकता है, एंड ऑल. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.